Good evening, my dear children. Today we are going to learn about the states of our country. Okay, India has totally 29 states. We are going to learn this with the rhythm. Okay, let us begin. Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Odisha, Madhya, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Aruna, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. 29 states are in my country. This is our India. This is our India. That's all, cuties. Thank you.